As we go through the day, it can be easy to get overwhelmed with what life throws our way. Whether it be managing work deadlines, handling social relationships, or tackling our own personal goals, it can be easy to quickly become consumed with stress and worry. However, repeating affirmations throughout the day can help us focus on our mental and emotional well-being as we tackle our daily tasks. Affirmations are positive statements that can help us improve our self-worth, self-confidence, and outlook on life. We will explore the benefits of repeating affirmations throughout the day, including how they can help us achieve our goals, appreciate our accomplishments, and stay grounded in times of stress. 1. Increase in self-confidence. One of the great benefits of repeating affirmations is an increase in self-confidence. Research shows that positive statements can help to improve self-talk and increase self-esteem. Repeating mantras and positive affirmations helps to build a strong sense of self-worth and confidence, which is important in any professional setting. Additionally, repeating affirmations can help to reduce the effects of stress, anxiety, and other mental health issues, leading to further self-confidence and improved performance in the workplace. 2. Improved mental clarity. Repeating affirmations throughout the day can lead to improved mental clarity. Affirmations are positive statements that can help to shift the way we think and feel about ourselves and our lives. When we repeat these affirmations, we can start to change our mindset and our behavior, opening the door for increased mental clarity. This can help to reduce stress, improve focus, and increase our productivity. Affirmations can also help us to stay motivated and stay on track with our goals. 3. Increase in focus and clarity of purpose. Another key benefit of repeating affirmations throughout the day is the increase in focus and clarity of purpose that it can bring. Affirmations give us an opportunity to focus on our desired outcome, and as we repeat them, we create a new understanding of our purpose and bring clarity to the direction that we should take in order to achieve our goals. By taking the time to clearly define our goals and intentions, we can better direct our energy and efforts and create an environment where we are more likely to succeed. 4. Improvement in problem-solving skills. One of the most important benefits of repeating affirmations throughout the day is that it can lead to an improvement in problem-solving skills. This is because repeating affirmations can help to increase positivity and focus, allowing individuals to think more creatively and strategically. With improved problem-solving skills, people can make better decisions and solve issues quickly and effectively. Thus, repeating affirmations can help people to be more productive and successful in both their personal and professional lives. 5. Less stress and anxiety. One of the key benefits of repeating affirmations throughout the day is the reduction of stress and anxiety. By focusing on positive and uplifting thoughts, you can help to reprogram your mind and create a more peaceful, stress-free state of being. This can help to prevent the negative thought patterns that can lead to higher levels of stress and anxiety. Furthermore, starting each day with affirmations can also help you to stay focused on the things that matter most and remain mindful of your personal goals and ambitions. 6. Strengthen self-awareness. Repeating affirmations throughout the day can help to strengthen self-awareness. Through this practice, individuals can become more aware of their strengths, weaknesses, and limits. As a result, they can more accurately identify the areas of their lives that require improvement and more effectively achieve their goals. Self-awareness can also lead to greater self-confidence and resilience in the face of challenges, as well as improved decision-making. By being mindful and repeating affirmations throughout the day, individuals can cultivate a better understanding of themselves and their capabilities. 7. Improved emotional stability. One of the major benefits of repeating affirmations throughout the day is improved emotional stability. Strengthening your positive self-image and self-belief leads to improved mental clarity and resilience. As a result, you will be better able to cope with the everyday challenges of life, such as stress and difficult situations. Furthermore, with improved emotional stability, you will be able to achieve your goals and stay focused on them. Ultimately, improved emotional stability leads to greater success and joy in your life. 8. Increased motivation and resilience. Repeating affirmations is a powerful way to increase motivation and resilience. Not only can they help reinforce positive thoughts and beliefs, but they can also serve as reminders to stay focused on achieving your goals. By repeating positive affirmations throughout your day, you can find the motivation to persist in the face of any challenge and develop greater resilience to stay the course. Additionally, by reinforcing positive thoughts and beliefs, you can begin to reframe the way you see yourself and the world around you, allowing you to make more empowering decisions and move forward with greater confidence. To sum up, repeating affirmations throughout the day can be an effective tool for bringing about positive change in our lives. Affirmations can help to reduce stress and anxiety, increase self-awareness and self-confidence, and create a more positive outlook on life. They also can help to create more meaningful relationships and more fulfilling career paths. With regular practice, affirmations can help to turn our dreams into reality. Stay positive and believe in yourself,